Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to replace white spaces in between two different characters with a hyphen. We are going to use the PCRE regex flavor because it supports some specific regex constructs that will be very useful here. This regex will be also useful in tools like Notepad++ that support boost or PCRE regex flavor. For example, let's take angle brackets. Now we need to match either the end of the previous successful match or the open angle bracket. Next, we need to match any 0 or more occurrences of any character other than close angle bracket and white space. Next, we want to omit the text we have matched so far, and we use the \k operator. Next, we want to consume one or more white spaces that we want to replace or remove. However, you can see that this regular expression will match white spaces even if there is no close angle bracket. In order to fix this, we need to use a positive look ahead that will match a position that is immediately followed by any 0 or more characters other than a close angle bracket followed by an angle bracket itself. Now let's check the substitution result. We have a hyphen in the substitution field, and we see that every white space chunk inside angle brackets is replaced with a hyphen correctly. Now you can see the explanation of the pattern on the right. You can learn more about this if you follow the links in the further links section, and if you like my video, please click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Happy regexing!